Da li ste znali da se ispod Kalemegdana nalaze pećine, lagumi, tuneli i bunkeri? Brojne građevine svedoče o bogatoj istoriji naroda koji su naseljavali ove prostore vekovima unazad. Savremeni gimnazijalci su zavirili u podzemlje Beograda i otkrili njegove mistične tajne.
So today we saw the Roman well and the bunker. The more interesting out of those two was the Roman well. It was the more interesting to me because the way the teachers presented to us the history of the Roman well and how the Roman well became was so interesting, such in a passionate way, that we felt like they really wanted to explain that to us in a way that felt great to us and the way that we would understand. After this, we got a task that we should take pictures and a video of the most interesting things we found about that, and I've taken that with my group right now. We picked Roman well for the topic because the Roman well, as I said, was more interesting to us because the backstory behind it was super interesting and unique to me, at least. One of the more interesting stories about it was the horrible execution that happened there, the most horrible execution in the history of Serbia. This execution was quite gruesome, and I felt bad when I heard what happened to those people when they were left in the well.
Ogroman broj hodnika ispod Beograda spaja jedan deo grada sa drugim. Saznanje o njima i pravcima kojima se prostiru oduševilo je učenike Cambridge programa. Za samo jedan dan obogatili su svoje znanje iz istorije i geografije.
Today the trip was really interesting because we saw the bunker and the teachers were both really nice and they explained things to us and I learned new things I didn't know, so I had really fun on this trip. I believe we should do more of those trips because I believe this way that's more effective for us to learn new things for geography and history mostly.
Istorija i geografija se lakše uče na svežem vazduhu uz konkretne primere i zanimljive priče koje se vrlo lako urežu u pamćenje. Na ovaj način, savremeni gimnazijalci su naučili više o Beogradu iz rimskog, austrijskog, turskog i srpskog perioda i otkrili da svaki od njih nosi autentičnu draž.